Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to start page numbering from specific pages in Canva. As at the time of this video, Canva has rolled out its new page numbers feature, and so you can now add page numbering to your designs. And so in this case, as you can see on the title page, I have page number 1, and then it continues for my other pages. But I do not want these page numbers on my title page and on my table of contents page. Not only that, I want the page numbering to start from chapter 1. So how do you go about this? First and foremost, I have to head over to page numbers. I have to come over here, show numbers on, and I don't want the page numbers to start to show on page 1 and page 2. So I untick these boxes and hit done. And so page numbering is off on the title page and page 2 as I want it. But see, it starts from page 3 here, and I don't want that. I want the page numbering to start from this particular page. So I want page 1 to be here, and then it follows through on the other pages, page 2 and so forth. So how do I achieve this? I found a quick trick to achieve this. All you have to do is to come over here to the grid view, and then what you're going to do is to hide the pages that you don't want your numbering to start from, or you don't want the page numbers to work through them. So in this case, I'm going to hide these 2 pages, 1 and 2, and then I can get back to my usual view, and then you can see now page numbering starts at 1 on this page, just like I wanted it. So our goal is done. Our goal has been achieved, and we can now export our work. So I just have to warn that before you do this, make sure that you are totally done with your work in Canva, and so you can quickly export this work and you have it all set up. Just one quick tip: when you go to Canva trying to export it, by default Canva is going to unselect the pages that you've hidden. So just make sure that you tick these boxes, and then choose the file type that you want. In my case, a PDF, and then hit download, and then you should be good to go. Thank you for watching this video, and if this was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so that I keep on making such helpful tips. Have a great day.